In this video, I'm going to show you my personal fine opinion on HLBZ, Helbiz, and let's get right into the video. So we're sitting at 16 cents today. Unfortunately, we have gone and started the week off with onto the negative side, 3.65% down. Yeah, like looking at it from a performance based thing, like on the bottom right, me and you can both see how this thing has performed. 95% down is just really bad. The past year, 85 in the past 6 months is as like again, it's very, very bad. But even like the trend for Helbiz is overall super bearish. I'm not saying that this cannot be changing anything because overall in this 3 day chart, we did manage to see a break, which I'm not going to expect a lot. As I said in the previous video, I'm not going to expect a lot except just some confirmation. But the confirmation right now is not here. Okay, so this is what I'm expecting the price to do right now. Looking for the highs to continue to get cleared. The confirmation was again. This is just the overview, but the confirmation is at least a break right here. Not this high. Then we can go to the 30-minute. It's going to have to be above this high for it to actually start to be a part of this whole move if he really wants to go, because it can easily just continue to go lower. So let me know your thoughts on it.